The journey of every computer chip begins with one of Earth's most abundant elements transformed into one of its purest substances, semiconductor-grade silicon. Crystal growing is the critical first step. A single seed crystal is slowly pulled from molten silicon to create a perfect cylindrical ingot with absolutely zero atomic defects. This process takes over 24 hours. The ingot grows at just 2 millimeters per minute, ensuring every atom aligns in a perfect crystalline lattice. A single finished ingot weighs over 100 kilograms and will eventually yield thousands of individual processor chips. A single 300-millimeter wafer will contain hundreds of individual processor dies, each one a complete functional computer chip. Chemical-mechanical planarization creates a surface so perfectly flat that the variation across the entire 300-millimeter wafer is less than 1 nanometer.
The finished wafer surface must be absolutely perfect. A single particle of dust is thousands of times larger than the transistors that will be built on this surface.
The cleanroom demands absolute contamination control. Workers undergo a complete transformation before entering the fabrication area. Air showers blast HEPA-filtered air at high velocity from every direction, removing particles down to half a micron before workers enter the critical fabrication zone.
This is a Class 1 cleanroom. Each cubic meter contains fewer than one particle larger than half a micron.
Wafers travel between process tools in sealed pods on automated overhead tracks, never exposed to the cleanroom air, providing an additional contamination barrier. Extreme ultraviolet lithography machines are the most complex and expensive machines ever built by humanity. Each one contains over 100,000 components and costs $300 million. Inside this machine, a powerful laser strikes a tiny tin droplet 50,000 times per second. The TIGINs. The photomask contains the complete circuit design at 4 times actual size. The lithography machine reduces and
every wafer handling step is fully automated. A single human fingerprint would destroy millions of transistors.
Photoresist coating must be absolutely uniform. The wafer spins at 4,000 RPM, spreading the chemical layer to a thickness of less than 100 nanometers. The stepper exposes each die location individually, precisely stepping across the wafer surface. A single wafer development washes away the exposed resist, leaving behind a perfect stencil of the circuit pattern on the silicon surface. Dry plasma etching uses energetic ions to physically remove silicon atoms only where the photoresist has been dissolved, transferring the circuit pattern into the silicon itself. Modern transistors are built in 3 dimensions. The etched trenches and fins in the silicon form the physical gates that control the flow of electrons. Ion implantation operates like a tiny particle accelerator, firing dopant atoms into the silicon lattice at speeds exceeding 1 million meters per second.
A modern processor requires over 1,000 individual process steps. Each wafer spends approximately 3 months traveling through the fabrication line.
At this scale, individual atoms become significant. A modern 3-nanometer transistor gate is only about 15 atoms wide. Chemical vapor deposition builds materials 1 atomic layer at a time, creating film thicknesses controlled to within a single atom across the entire wafer. Copper interconnects are the electrical highways of the processor. A single modern chip contains over 30 kilometers of copper wiring thinner than a virus. A modern processor contains up to 15 metal interconnect layers stacked vertically, creating a three-dimensional electrical network of staggering complexity. The transistors occupy less than 1% of the chip's total thickness. The vast majority is copper wiring connecting those transistors into functional circuits. Every critical dimension is measured automatically. A deviation of even 1 nanometer from specification can render an entire wafer worthless. Low-K dielectric materials reduce parasitic capacitance between copper wires, allowing signals to travel faster with less power consumption. The passivation layer is the chip's final protective shield, sealing billions of transistors and kilometers of copper wiring from the outside world. Solder bumps provide the electrical connection between the chip and its package. A modern processor has over 5,000 individual bumps. Wafer probe testing is the moment of truth. Tiny probe needles make contact with each die to verify that billions of transistors function correctly. The wafer map reveals the yield diff, the percentage of functional dies. Modern fabs achieve yields above 90% through extraordinary process control. Automated inspection systems compare every die to its neighbors, detecting defects as small as 10 nanometers that would be invisible to any human inspector. Parametric testing monitors the health of every process step by measuring specialized test structures that reveal the electrical quality of transistors, interconnects, and dielectrics. At this magnification, we see individual atoms. The transistor gate oxide is only 5 atoms thick, the thinnest engineered structure in mass production. Electron beam inspection penetrates below the surface to find defects hidden within the metal layers that optical systems cannot detect. Only wafers that meet every specification proceed to the die separation and packaging phase.
The yield data confirms the stability across the lot.
Agreed. I'll sign off on the release documentation now.
Each pod contains wafers worth millions of dollars. The tracking system monitors every pod in the fab with real-time location accuracy.
Failure analysis is the detective work of semiconductor manufacturing. Engineers systematically deconstruct failed chips to trace defects back to their process origin. This particle, smaller than a virus, destroyed the function of the transistor beneath it. In a chip containing billions of contamination monitoring operates 24 hours a day. The system alerts engineers instantly if particle counts rise above the ultra-tight specification limits. Statistical process control transforms raw measurement data into actionable intelligence, revealing equipment drift before it causes yield loss. Atomic force microscopy measures surface features with a resolution of less than 1 angstrom, FLACE, smaller than the diameter of a single hydrogen atom. The cleanroom environment is controlled to within a fraction of a degree. Temperature fluctuations of even half a degree can cause nanometer-scale dimensional changes.
Measurement precision is the foundation of semiconductor manufacturing. You cannot control what you cannot measure at the nanometer scale.
Accelerated life testing subjects chips to extreme stress conditions, compressing years of normal operation into days to predict long-term reliability.
Die separation transforms a wafer containing hundreds of connected dies into individual chip units ready for packaging.
After dicing, each die is inspected again. Only dies that passed wafer probe testing are selected for packaging. Die bonding places the chip face down onto the package substrate, aligning thousands of tiny solder bumps with matching pads. Underfill epoxy flows by capillary action beneath the chip, filling the microscopic gap and dramatically improving the mechanical reliability of the solder connections.
The packaging line processes thousands of individual chips per hour, with a defect rate measured in parts per million.
Each wire bond is an electrical connection carrying signals and power between the chip and the outside world. A typical processor encapsulation protects the delicate chip and wire bonds from moisture, contamination, and mechanical damage throughout the product lifetime. Post-mold curing completes the epoxy cross-linking reaction, ensuring the package achieves its full mechanical and moisture-resistant specifications. Laser marking provides permanent traceability for every packaged chip, linking each unit back to its specific wafer and process history. Final test verifies every single packaged chip at its rated operating frequency and voltage. Chips that fail even one test parameter are immediately rejected. The test floor operates around the clock, testing millions of chips per week against test programs containing millions of individual test vectors.
Burn-in accelerates infant mortality failures. Chips that survive this stress screening have a dramatically higher probability of long-term reliable operation.
Tape and reel packaging enables automated high-speed pick-and-place assembly. A single reel contains thousands of chips in precisely spaced pockets. Premium processors are individually tray-packed for customers requiring manual handling and specialized assembly processes.
Complete traceability labeling ensures every packaged unit can be traced back through its entire manufacturing history.
The finished goods warehouse maintains precise temperature, humidity, and electrostatic discharge protection for millions of dollars of chip inventory. Order fulfillment requires absolute accuracy. Shipping the wrong chip variant to a customer could halt their entire production line. Moisture-sensitive packaging protects chips during transport and storage. Humidity exposure can cause solder defects during the customer's circuit board assembly process. Semiconductor products travel worldwide by air freight. Physical shock protection is critical for cargo handling at airports. Qualification testing subjects random samples to extreme conditions far beyond normal operating specifications to verify long-term reliability margins. Temperature cycling from -40 to +150 degrees stresses the package and solder joints, revealing any latent mechanical weakness.
The quality release signature certifies that every process step, inspection, and test has been completed to specification.
Every departing shipment carries the result of thousands of process steps, months of manufacturing time, and billions of dollars of technology investment. The Fab Operations Center is the nerve center of the entire facility, monitoring every tool, every wafer, and every process parameter simultaneously. The manufacturing execution system tracks over 10,000 wafer lots simultaneously, optimizing routing and scheduling to maximize throughput and yield. Equipment maintenance requires the same contamination discipline as production. A single particle introduced during maintenance could affect thousands of wafers. Tool 5 is showing a slight pressure drop on the upstream regulator. Keep an eye on the WIP lot 22.
All right, pressure drop on tool 5, lot 22. Noted. Anything else on the board?
New cleanroom workers undergo weeks of training before they are qualified to enter the production floor. Contamination discipline is absolute and non-negotiable.
The daily operations review brings together every engineering discipline to identify problems, share solutions, and drive continuous improvement.
Predictive maintenance uses machine learning analysis of thousands of sensor signals to forecast equipment failures before they happen.
From this vantage point, the entire manufacturing, a symphony of robotics, chemistry, and physics, producing the most complex objects.
This cycle time is still too high. We're missing the target again.
I know, but look at the utilization spike here. The yield trend is strong.
Recipe optimization is a continuous process. Even tiny adjustments to gas flow, pressure, or RF power can measurably improve transistor performance. Semiconductor manufacturing never stops. The fab operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The night shift runs with a skeleton crew. Automation handles the routine operations, while engineers focus on analysis and process optimization. Automated inspection runs continuously through the night, accumulating the data that morning engineers will analyze to drive yield improvement. The automated transport system moves over 40,000 wafer pods per day without human intervention, optimizing routes for minimum cycle time. A fab consumes as much electricity as a small city. Uninterrupted power and cooling are as critical as the process tools themselves.
Planned maintenance windows are carefully scheduled to minimize impact on production throughput while ensuring equipment reliability.
From one wafer to one factory, from one transistor to 10 billion, the scale of modern semiconductor manufacturing is almost beyond human comprehension.
This single chip contains more transistors than there are stars visible to the naked eye in the night sky.
In your hands, the combined achievement of physics, chemistry, material science, and engineering precision operating at the very edge of what is physically possible. Every fraction of a % improvement in yield represents millions of dollars and the dedication of thousands of engineers and technicians. From sand to silicon, from atoms to architecture, the journey from raw element to thinking machine is complete. This facility represents the single largest investment in manufacturing technology in human history. From atom to world, the computer chip, humanity's most complex creation born from sand, light, and an unyielding pursuit of perfection. The art of the chip, sand, light, and human ingenuity. Behind these walls, atoms are arranged